Hello and welcome to EngLearn. Today, we're analyzing rhetorical questions as a persuasive technique. You've probably come across this term before, but maybe you didn't really understand what it means. Well, the answer is quite simple. Rhetorical questions are questions which do not require an answer, because the answer is implied in the question itself. So, when your mom asks you questions like these, she doesn't expect you to answer, "Yes, mom, I would," or "No, no, mom, of course not." Instead, she's expressing her anger and trying to provoke an emotional response from you and urge you to do a certain action like cleaning your room or not letting your friends push you around. What she wants you to do is obvious from the question itself, but she uses the question form to engage you in the conversation and make you feel her despair. Of course, rhetorical questions can be much more complex and serve much loftier purposes, but I think these down-to-earth examples are more relatable. The purpose of rhetorical questions can vary greatly from the context in which they appear, which is why it's always super important to be very specific and precise when describing their effects. You always want to pinpoint exactly what the author wanted to achieve by asking the question. There are some general rules, however. Normally, rhetorical questions lead the reader towards the conclusion presented in the question itself. For example, the logical conclusion would be that you wouldn't jump off a cliff. Any other response seems illogical and stupid. There is no room for disagreement with mom. You're simply compelled to agree. At other times, rhetorical questions, which are often posed as an introduction to the topic, are meant to make you reflect deeply on the topic. They get you to think about what you will be told, and then the writer uses other devices to get you to agree with his view on the topic. This video is a part of our ongoing series about persuasive techniques, so make sure to subscribe to be the first to know when the next video is out. Share the video with friends, classmates, and teachers, and let me know what else you'd like to know about persuasive techniques in the comments below. Happy exam season, everyone!